Namaskar, welcome to all to my channel. Today I want to give a brief summary of Geoffrey Chaucer's life and work, in which century he was born, in which century he was belonged, and about of his writing work. Now I have given a note about his life. Though his birth time is not certain, but it is generally accepted that he was born in 1340, and he was born in London. He worked in the household under the wife of the Duke of Clarence. Later, he entered in the royal household, in which he was served as the recipient of royal pension and bounties. After then, in the time of research too, he was confirmed in his offices and pension, and shortly afterward he was sent to Italy of some official works. In his life, Chaucer basically wrote many poems, and his poems are divided into three periods: French period, Italian period, and English period. Inside this three period, he also wrote prose, dream allegory. The first period is the French period. In this period, he wrote a longest poem, The Roman of the Rose, a lengthy allegorical poem written in octosyllabic couplets and based upon Les Romans de la Rose of Guillaume de Loris and Jean de Monk. This poem has 8,000 lines. The Book of the Duchess, The Complaint unto Pitt, and ABC, and The Complaint of Mars are the other poems of this period. And the second period is the Italian period. In this period, his writing structure of meter is greater. He wrote many poems are Enelida, Archide, The Parliament of Fools, Troilus and Cressida is a long poem adapted from Baccacia, and this poem has reality and a passionate intensity of courtly love. The complex character of Cressida and Pandaras reveal some psychological elements and indicate Chaucer's inner growing of human mind. This book was considered Chaucer's best narrative work. In this period, he also wrote The House of Fame is a dream allegory poem written in octosyllabic couplets, in which he was carried by an eagle to the House of Fame and discovered the people who approached the throne for fame. In the verse and raciness of the eagle showed the good Chaucerian humor. The Legend of Good Women is a story of 19 virtuous women, but it composed and night only began. There is a charming introduction on the Daisy, has a masterly narrative of Cleopatra. And this is the first poem in English to use the heroic couplets. The last period is English period. This period contains Chaucer's best work, The Canterbury Tales, which is adapted from Boccacia but mostly written in English. In this book, Chaucer draws 29 pilgrims, including himself, to meet at Tabard Inn at Southwark in order to visit the tomb of Thomas a Becket at Canterbury. The host Harry Bailey said them to read their journey time that each pilgrim will tell on the way to Canterbury and to on the way back, and left for partly completed. Only 23 pilgrim tale, 24 tale. Each tale has a prologue. Among these there are two prose tales, which are the Person's Tale and the Tale of Meliboeus. This narrative book is written in the rhyme scheme ABABCC. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching this video.